Alright, so we made it to the campsite. It's a little more remote than I thought it was, but it'll do. So I got like I set my tent there. This got me scared on the way in as I was driving past other ones. But we're good. This is March 1st through the May 25th, so we're good. Alright. So now I'm gonna get camp all set up. Time to set up the tent. Ta-da! I had to end up moving it. There's too many rocks and stuff in the way right here. There she is. Half-heartedly put up. Alright. So, the forecast calls for rain. I brought the canopy just in case. I don't know where to hook it up at. Should I put it near the tent? Should I put it over by the fire pit? Or by the food? I think I might just not set it up yet. I'll wait to see if it starts raining while I'm sitting at the fire, then I'll just throw it on over there. I'm only here for the night, and I definitely brought more than what I needed. These things just packed full of stuff. Like there's still bubbles from the camping trip I did with Sophia. Yeah, and we got these. We're gonna try and test these out today. See how they work. Hopefully good. I'm gonna set the fire up pretty soon. Get these bugs out of here. I'm gonna try out the Harbor Freight Special. See how that works. We'll be right back. Well, I got the fire started. Use that little fire starter in there. I put some dry wood down because the dirt was a little wet. So just gave it a nice little bed. Hopefully it's all good. Alright, we're going to try and get our blow-up mattress set up. I don't want to sleep on the floor again. Hopefully my converter will work to pump this thing. So let's find out. See how it works. Fingers crossed. Don't want to sleep on the ground. Let's hope it also doesn't pop in the ground right here. Oh, the AC in the truck feels amazing. It's like 90 degrees out right now. Let's go. It's pumping up. Alright, well, as soon as this thing, I'm gonna get water. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but the fire is going pretty nice. This campsite is a lot bigger than I thought it was. I didn't think I would have all this space. You guys saw the last one. The last one was very small. Another thing we gotta hope for is that this fits in the tent. I don't know if the door is too small or not to fit. I probably should have tested it out at home first. You know, who's got time for all that? Alright. Let's go see if this thing fits. Oh no. Oh no. Let's go. Look at this. So, let's show you a little better. It will fit straight in, but that gives me like no entrance. So sideways it'll just fit, and then I got some leg room. Let's go. I also forgot to mention, I forgot my sleeping bag or my blanket at home. Had to run out and grab a sleeping bag. How do you open this? Figure it out later on. Had to run to the truck for a lighter. Back. Also, I gotta try and be a little quiet because there's a campsite not too far through these woods, and there's like a family staying there, so. I'm gonna go put these by my chair near the campfire. Can you really be camping if you don't have a s'more? I think every camping trip needs a s'more. At least one. I might have already had one. But let's have another one. Together. And we're gonna have dinner shortly after this. My marshmallows are kind of all junked up. I don't know if you can see that, but they're all like sticking together. It's the same bag that I used last time, but even then they were all sticking together. But I don't know what this channel is going to be. I'd like to make it mainly camping videos, but I got a family trip coming up soon. I'm going to record that, put that up there, going to the Outer Banks. That'll be cool. The marshmallows about to fall off. Oh, I didn't set anything up. Look at that. Nice and marshy. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Eight out of 10. Not my best. What are we thinking? Right there, maybe? Sure. All right. We're gonna try some beanies and weenies. Oh, let's get this in there first. Bam, son. Man, I didn't know if that was gonna be enough, so I brought extra hot dogs for, hot dog. That might have been a big slice. All right, we got some maple syrup from the gas station. I was told to try it. We're gonna throw some pepper in there once it heats up a little bit. See how we like it. Hopefully it's good. Freaking hot. Add our pepper. Because why not? And then our syrup. All right. All right. Got it plated up. Not really plated. Don't feel like making another dirty dish. Like my new trash can. I forgot to bring trash bags, so we're just gonna use that. While this is cooling down, it's very hot right now. Look at the fire. What a sad little fire that is. I'm trying, man. Right? Relax. We'll get there. Ooh. This smells good. Hopefully bear doesn't come out and eat me. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Hot dogs and beans. It's good. Everything I make is good though, so I'll get back with you guys in a little bit.
Oh.
I almost forgot to mention. Got myself a tall boy. Cheers. It's getting pretty late. I don't know if you can see me or not, but I have it in the super night mode. It's supposed to be super bright, but it's not. Very dark. Extremely dark. I don't know how these YouTubers do this. It's pretty scary out here alone. Just try not to think about it, I guess. I'm done netting to the fire. Once that's out, I'm done. Catch you guys in the morning. Alright, so update. It's too scary outside all alone in the dark. So I jumped in the tent and I'm gonna call it a night. It's like 10:30. So I'll catch you guys in the morning and we'll make coffee, some breakfast, and then clean up camp. Maybe go on a hike. We'll see. Later. Fresh and clean. Alright. I'm having one last coffee. Yeah, tiny little fire going right now. Show you guys that. Boop. Once I finish this, I'm going to read Experiencing God devotional, 1 page a day. And then after that, A Rising Nation. I'll catch back up with you guys when I clean up camp. Peace. Alright, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. My solo trip to Delaware State Forest. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!